đã gia dạy gia hoàng thần tư thần ô là ô áo gia hoàng ô ai đứng ơi kiếm được cái gì con cám cây vàng cây đen là con cây băng mây
cứ đi theo cơ bắn theo cơ.
Okay, I'm gonna come around the side then. After mine, yeah. Sorry, man.
Pretty relaxed.
Yeah.
Oh,
As it goes for your neck, though, eh?
I can feel the tightening.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Ooh. Now, is there a guy named Kurtz somewhere on the shore?
No. Feels like that, doesn't it?
Oh. I hope there's no tigers.
If you're happy, you know, send your face. If you're happy, you know, send your face. If you're happy, you know, like the rain want to show. If you're happy, you know, send your face. If you're happy, you know.
You want a pressing machine to make the coconut milk.
Just 3 or 4 steps, you can take the husk of the coconut out already.
Okay. And power of coconut. Don't have water. Don't have
Dry in the sun.
Yeah, it's very dry.
And if you want to have coconut oil, you just make a fire and the water go up. This is the oil of coconut. And you have coconut oil massage for your hair, your skin. Rub this. You can see without water, without.
We have the knife, like put the rice inside.
And there.
Not that company, and at one point on last slide,
Oh no.
but then we found something, and we had a great time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was great. And then they included the night tour, so then we did the night tour, and yeah, definitely some fun.
The bay of the flower and the bowl broken and we stick it in here. You can see over there we have the unicorn or lucky in Vietnam. Unicorn
It's
is
like
so different. Unicorn. Unicorn don't have a top in the middle. Top of the Buddha, you can see.
Yeah.
The lion, tiger over there. But that's unicorn.
Oh,
Yeah, very different in Vietnam. Very beautiful.
yeah.
Everywhere in the temple in Vietnam, we have 4 animals. Dragon for the king. Dragon for the king. Over there have the face of the dragon. Dragon for the king. Phoenix. Phoenix for the queen. Unicorn for the lucky.
Okay.
And turtle for long life.
Oh. Maybe there's some tattoos.
Yeah.
Get those 4 guys put on you.
18th century, the Chinese, they come
this area.
You want to sort of get in the front a little bit and
Sure.
say hi or whatever?
Start from the India.
Story.
I wish I knew the name of this
Start
temple.
from the India and then the meat. Buddha don't have meat, but in Vietnam, meat is number one. Everywhere, every time you want to pray for the business, good job, good career, with the meat, brain, with the meat. Everything when you want long life, beautiful, healthy, celebrate with the mother. Mother will blessing for you like a mother take care the baby at home. But exactly that's man, not lady. We just outfit make for him look like a lady, like a mother, lady version. But exactly he's the man.
Okay.
And in here you can see a lot of bonsai. Bonsai in here. 100 years.
And they just keep videoing it in. He's gonna keep recording. We're gonna run out of battery soon anyway, so.
Bonsai like 1 or 2 billion Vietnam dollars. So expensive because they make more time for the shape of the tree. And you can see this is the temple. They built in the 1849. And even in that time, we still use the Chinese character. We don't have the Vietnamese. Vietnamese language just have the 100 years. Very new. And with the French, with the Chinese, with the English, we borrow word. And you can see the column. Column very European.
Yeah.
Colonel, but inside Vietnamese.